Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 14a, in which we will practice the makhraj of Ain. We are learning makharij using letter poem, as you know, and each letter is with fatha. So let's start. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, the, dha, ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra, la, na, ra. And from its middle are ja, sha, ya. And then we have dha and ka and qa. And the throat letters were hamza, ha. So that is a, ha. And we are now into the letter a. How will you say a? From the middle of the throat. Like a, a, a. Or with hamza, a, a, a. Common mistakes are, don't say a as a. Okay. Not like hamza, a. No, it is a. By the way, anything too much becomes bad. Some people exaggerate it too much. Na'budu. Don't say that. Anything in any language, if you do too much, it will become bad. If you say a and ha properly, they appear normal. For practice and getting control, you can exaggerate, but not during the tilawa. So a comes from the middle of the throat. Try to gulp. Notice the point where the throat closes. This is one of the tip. And take the a from that point, middle of the throat. A. The best way to practice a, if you don't get control, is to say ya'ni. Okay, or na'budu. Right? Ya'ni, 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 ya'ni. Or na'budu, 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 na'budu. Because to say a with sukoon is easier than say a with fatha. Ya'ni or na'budu, 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 ya'ni, ya'ni, ya'ni. Say it 500, 1,000 times, 2,000 times when you are alone or in a room or car. But please practice it, and then inshallah it will be there. And during practice you can do some exaggeration, but don't do it during tilawa. After getting control of a sound or ain sound, do this practice. Repeat after me 3 times. A, 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 I, u, a, I, u, a, I, u, a, I, u, an, in, un, an, in, un, an, in, un, an, in, un. Let's practice some words. A'budu, 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 abiduna, 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 ibadu, 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 yasma'u, 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 yasma'u. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.